Now, I don't want to say that money has become useless, but it is slowly losing its value. You go with 2,000 shillings to a supermarket and you find that you're buying very little things, 2 or 3 things, and the money is done. So in these economic times, you definitely need side hustles that can make you at least 2,000 in a day. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can actually make 2K daily using your phone or laptop. So I'm hoping that you can choose at least 1 or 2 of these ideas that I'm gonna give you guys and maybe try to make money using them. You can definitely not choose all of them because huwezi kuwa jack of all trades, but at least choose one that is suitable for you and try to make this money. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. The first way you can make 2,000 bob daily is through opening an online shop. I'm gonna be telling you guys in details how to go about this. When it comes to online shops, you can open an online shop on any social media platform that you use. If you use Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, those are the 4 commonly used social medias. And obviously, you want to create an online shop in the most commonly used social media pages or platforms. So I always advise you maximize all of them. Whatever you sell on Instagram, advertise it on TikTok, WhatsApp, and Facebook. So when it comes to opening an online shop, you need to have goods that are suitable for your audience. So you know the kind of people that you interact with. Buy goods that are related to that. If you interact with the young people, you know they are enticed by shoes, handbags, clothes in fashion, and all that. You can sell them to those young people. If you have old people, maybe people who are starting, maybe you can sell to them utensils, electronics, all those kind of things. So you need to get your audience first of all. And then creating an online shop is good because the advantage is that there is no way your goods are going to get spoiled because you don't even need to have the physical good. I can have the picture of a shoe and I post it, and once I get a customer, maybe I'm selling that shoe at 2,500 na nishafanya window shopping, the wholesaler is going to give me the shoe at 2,000. So when I get a customer of that shoe, now they will pay me 2,500, niende hiyo kiatu at 2,000, and then I ship to the customer. And then also when it comes to shipping, make sure the customers are paying for their shipping fee. Sio wewe unafaa ugharamie shipping fee. So it is super easy to open an online shop. And another way that people are opening online shops is by having the skills and get to be paid for doing skills. So you find that maybe I can make handmade carpets, handmade goods, anything. So once you make the handmade goods yourself, you sell them online, you market for your handmade goods online, and this is a very, very good way also to make money because when it comes to online, maybe you've posted a video on TikTok doing the carpets. Let's say you're making self-made carpets. When that video gets views, you're assured that some of those viewers are going to be interested and they're going to buy. Same case to shoes. A lot of people are making money online, mostly on TikTok. I'm going to advise you guys, the best platform to sell items is TikTok because TikTok is going to advertise the good for you and it's going to reach to many more people. Unlike Instagram, where you have to have followers, your view. Also, WhatsApp, you need to have contacts of people in your view. But when it comes to TikTok, you just post and it reaches so many people you don't even know. And when they just get the orders, we are in the 21st century, you just ship the orders to them directly. Another way you can actually make 2,000 daily is through transcription. I've talked about this before. So this is whereby you change audio and video to text. So you just type whatever you hear. For this one, you might need a laptop. The first one, you only need a phone. So when it comes to transcription, you need to type whatever you hear the audio saying or the video. So how to get started? First of all, you need to know the websites that pay you to transcribe. And then you need to know which language you're good at. Right now, Kiswahili is a hot cake. So if you can speak Swahili, if you can listen to Swahili, then you can actually transcribe in Swahili. I've done a video on transcription websites that are available, but even without checking that video, if you go to Google and just search transcription websites available, you will get so many websites. Just type in your country and see the ones which are available for your country. When it comes to transcription, you don't even need an entire day there. You just need 1 hour, 2 hours, depending on the length of the video. And for transcription, you get to be paid by different companies differently, but it usually ranges from between $5 and $15, depending on the length of the video. So you may find umepewa video, let's say a 1 hour, and you're required to transcribe that video into text. So it's like maybe it was a speech that was given. So you listen to that speech and type everything that is being said there. So you might find you're spending 1 hour on that audio or the video, and you get to be paid between $10 to $15. It usually depends with the company that is giving you the job and also the website. And it's a good thing because that is 1 hour and you get your $10. On the lower side, maybe you can budget maybe for every 1 hour $6. So it means in a day you need to do around 3 videos so that you can make $20, which is 2,000 shillings in a day. In case you need more insight on how to do transcription, comment down below and I'm going to guide you on everything you need to know. Another way to make money is through blogging or vlogging. Blogging is typing, having a website where you type your things, you type anything, any related stuff that people love to see. You can become a news blogger, fashion blogger, you can become a gossip blogger, you give us gossips about celebrities, you can become a nutrition blogger, anything that you feel you're passionate about, even a cooking blogger. So you'll be posting maybe recipes if you are a cooking blogger, and people are going to reach you with time. When it comes to vlogging now, vlogging is videos. So if you want to become a vlogger, definitely you need to start a YouTube channel. And for YouTube channel also, you have to choose what kind of stuff you need to know to do. Maybe you can be telling us about any skill that you know, your talent, if you love cooking, if you love playing instruments, if you have a foreign language that you know and many people don't, you can be teaching us Swahili. Today you can teach us greetings, the next day you teach people how to excuse themselves, the next day. I've seen those videos on languages doing so well on YouTube until I'm like, what? In fact, YouTube, people will watch anything. So if you have any idea for YouTube, just post. People are going to like anything, and with time, if you're a vlogger or blogger, you're going to grow. Now when it comes to vlogging and blogging, I'm not going to promise you quick money, instant money, because you need to take time to grow, and it might even take a year. So if you need quick money, then this one is not a good idea for you. But if you are patient enough, you might invest in that for the entire 1 year, but from next year you'll be getting money instantly each and every month. Cash flow is good here, but definitely patience is also good, and consistency. You really need a lot of consistency if you want to become an online vlogger or blogger. So another new thing I've seen people making money with is becoming a virtual assistant, but it's not really common. So when it comes to a virtual assistant, you find that right now people need assistant when it comes to posting. So let's say I'm a YouTuber, I might need an assistant to be posting for me videos and responding to my emails. So when you're a virtual assistant, you'll be doing those kind of jobs. So you're employed by an online influencer to be responding to their emails and also to be marketing them and posting them on social media, also posting their videos and editing and writing for them those things that maybe they need to send to other companies and etc, all those kind of things. That's all a virtual assistant is supposed to do. So when you want to become a virtual assistant, right now it is not very common. So you can actually start by advertising yourself. Probably create an account on LinkedIn. That's where I see a lot of these people asking for this kind of people to do them those jobs. So you can start by maybe marketing yourself on LinkedIn and also be active on social media. This one is not easy, but once you get a job to become a virtual assistant, then you can easily make money, because every time you post for someone, they will pay you. Every time you edit a video, definitely you're going to get paid depending on the length of the video. So you need to teach yourself some of these skills so that you can become a virtual assistant. Another way to make money is through freelancing. So freelancing entails different types of jobs, different kind of jobs, but all these jobs are online. So you might become an online influencer, online maybe tutor. You can also become an online writer, so whereby you're given assignments by people and you do for them. Freelancers actually do anything anything. You can even become a web designer and graphic designer, just anything related to online stuff. So when it comes to freelancing, you just need to know those websites that are there for freelancers. There's usually freelancers.com. We also have Fiverr. Which one else? There are so many freelancing websites. So you just go to those freelancing websites and create an account there and list down all the things that you can do. So the first customer that you get, make sure you do a perfect job for them, because this is the customer that is going to review you. The reviews you get on these apps are usually so important, so that if you get a good review, this person is going to recommend you to many other people, and with time you're definitely going to be getting clients. This is how people are making so much money online. Also, when it comes to freelancing, you can also become a social media influencer. You guys know, when you're a social media influencer, you get to be paid by brands to market for them their goods. It is a very good way to make money. So definitely those are some of the ways that you can make 2,000 shillings daily if you're active enough, because for most of these online jobs you really need to be very active. In case I've left any, you guys comment down below, and in case you have any question at all, comment down below. I'm definitely going to be responding to you. Also, don't forget to like this video. If at all umefika hapa, can you give this video a like, guys? Give it a thumbs up. I'm definitely going to be doing more and more related videos, so you can definitely watch out for more. If you've not subscribed, please do. You don't want to miss on the future. The future is so bright. That's it for today's video, guys. I'm hoping this video was interesting, informative, useful to you. If you want to talk to me privately, you can DM me on Instagram. I'm obviously at your service, and Brenda Kiki is my username. I'll also put a link on the description down below so that you can reach me easily. That's it for today's video. I'm hoping to see you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye guys.